Hey everybody, so I am officially 1 year locked. I'm feeling a little raggedy right now. My hair has been taking a bunch, moved, sick, and no time for hair. Be like that sometimes. But anyway, so I'm about to dye the front of my hair. As you can see, like the back is like a blackish color or whatever. And then the top is, it used to be like a reddish color, but it's starting to fade away. But I'm about to use this box dye to dye my hair. And I got it in honey blonde. It's not gonna be, it ain't gonna turn this color. I got it I should probably get a lighter blonde, but it's not gonna turn this color. But anyway, it's looking all wild and stuff, but it's gonna be cute in the end. So I'm only dyeing from like ear to, let me take these off. I'm only dyeing from ear to ear going around, and the rest of the back I'm not. Okay, got it? So let's get started. Let's go through what's in this box first. And I'm gonna need my glasses for this. I don't even know why to get off. Yeah, I'm gonna need my glasses for this. Okay. So this is the Intense Moisturizing Mask. And when I got me some petroleum jelly too to go around the edges of my hair and my ears and stuff. This is the color activator. And this is the moisturizer rich color. So this is the color that's going to go inside of here. And then I'm just going to make the assumption that this is it says the conditioner. Apply a quarter size. I'm gonna use this whole bottle almost. I'm not gonna, a quarter to mask the hair. Leave on for 2 minutes and rinse. Use remaining mask anytime in a later wash when your hair needs it. I have a mask I'm gonna use and I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Okay. And then it comes with these handy dandy instructions. Oh, what is this? Something just unwrapped up in here. Oh, the lightning booster to lighten it up, baby, because it's getting warm outside. We about to light it up, okay? And gloves, of course, which I don't know if I know what my gloves are, because I don't think I unpacked them. So I definitely need these. So let me section off. I might end up grabbing pieces that I don't mean to dye, and that's gonna be okay. That's gonna be absolutely fine. But I'm trying to, nope, that's too dark. That's not part of it. Nope, not part of it. Nope. Okay, so I'm gonna ponytail the back, because none of that is getting dyed, to keep it out the way. And then I am going to put this to protect my skin, just in case it gets messy. Y'all don't, just in case. Okay, okay, I'm gonna put it around my ears too. Okay, because we're not trying to get burnt or anything or faded. Okay, maybe I should go to whole head. That was just a thought. Whole head. I should do it. Or maybe go with two-toned. So the directions, these, at first I can read them, but I was reading the Spanish side. I don't even know Spanish. Okay, so the direction says to mix this with this first. The booster with this first. Now you don't have to use the booster, supposedly, but we go use the booster. Hopefully it won't come out too bright. And then after we mix this with this, which is the color, after we mix the booster with the color activator, then we add in the color. So let's go ahead and get this packet open. It says put on gloves first, so I am extremely hard-headed. Extremely hard-headed. I'm so hard-headed. I just don't feel like I need them right now because they just don't get in my way and they don't fit tight enough. And how much for this bottle with gloves on? Okay, so then it's a powder. Y'all, I'm scared it's a powder. Y'all remember them powder envelopes they was talking about had everybody scared years and years ago? I was younger. I'm like, what? Okay, this is the booster. I know one thing, it ain't about to sit no 30 minutes. Because I'm on my lunch break doing this. We just watched the solar eclipse, so it gives you an idea of when I'm dyeing my hair. Me and my daughter just watched it on my other break from work. It says to shake it. I'm gonna shake it. Shaking. Still shaking. Okay. So now it says to add. Now I'm putting these tops on top of some paper. This. So now we're gonna add this, which is like just a liquid. It says the entire bottle. Ooh. That filled that up, y'all. Okay. My son Locs is dyed like this color. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna take a picture and clip it to the video. We used to buy stock of that too. We just did like some of the Locs, not all the Locs. Okay, I'm gonna shake this. This dye probably faded because every time my hair feels dirty, I wash it. If it's itching a lot, I wash it. It'd be like, oh, I wash my hair every such and such amount of weeks. You'd be like, Jasmine, how often you wash your hair? Sometimes twice a week, 3 times if I need to. I be washing. Don't let me be out in the sun. We out here in Texas. If it gets too hot, honey, I will go and wash my hair. Okay? I'm not gonna. I don't care if I just had a retwist. I'd be like, yeah, we'll just retwist it again later. So let me put these little gloves on because I will throw my hair in a ponytail. I will braid it into like a little halo style. I'll throw some Bantu knots on there in between. I was gonna grab my other mirror and some lights. I couldn't see. And I broke my ring light. So I'm going to start like midway. And then I'll come back and do my roots. I should have started my roots so they pop. Huh? Definitely wear clothes you don't care about if you don't have like all the stuff to wrap around you. Just in case. Just in case I don't make it home tonight. I'm not gonna sing the rest. Just in case, just in case. You know what I'm saying? You're all I have, so just in case I'm making home. Let me stop playing. Y'all be in the car lip syncing. Singing. Don't let my song come on. It be going down. Okay. I'm gonna try to do this side so y'all can see. I'm trying to use my camera to do some. But my kids get mad when we in the car and I be singing. Because I'll take over. And it be loud. Like if Fantasia come on, y'all, it's about to go down. If there is nothing else to be said, we gonna bump Fantasia real loud. And then we gonna sing her too. We gonna sing along. Because that's so she be putting in her face when she's singing. You be having everybody singing like they can sing. Okay. Oh, it says that once you put this in, wait 10 minutes, then do the roots. And we know we hard-headed because my roots go pop. But I'm gonna come back and do the roots when I'm done with this. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna wait because I don't want the roots to be too bright. That work. Let me do this side too. Okay, so we gonna wait 10 minutes and then I will be back. Okay, y'all, so it's been 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna slide my gloves back on without getting these on my hands. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put some on my boots. Then I'm starting up here.
Oh, you running out of time, huh? The time ain't even real. You really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You get mixed up in the future. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same old thing. But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless me, bless me, bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane. Why you wanna play so bad? Why you wanna play so bad?
So now I'm about to put a plastic cap on. I'll let it sit for 20 minutes. I'm gonna wash it out. I'm gonna condition it. And I honestly probably don't do a retwist until tomorrow. But I'm gonna show you how it looks once I wash it out and condition it. And then, of course, by the time I do the recording or edit this video, we'll be able to see my retwist. So I'm gonna just do a palm roll. And at my 1 year, 6 months, I will do or get it interlocked. Either my daughter or my cousin will do it. Okay. No, we just go take off these gloves and put this on. Okay, so I wanted to come back and show y'all how we look before I go and wash it out. I think that I achieved the color that I actually like, which is like a number 30. So let's see. Okay. I knew it wasn't gonna get as bright as the box. Well, that's what we looking like. And I like it. So I'm gonna go wash this out and then I will be back. Okay, so let me show y'all what I'm about to use on my hair as conditioner. This hair mask by Shea Moisture. And then of course I have a shirt too because no towels. Alright, yeah, now I'll be back for real. I'll be back.
So when do I put it in?
Load off. I love it. Okay, y'all, so this is how my colors turned out. So I'll come back and show y'all how my hair look once I have a retwist. It smells so good. Okay, yeah, so I'm back. I forgot to come back, but this is how we looking. I had braided my hair while it was wet on Monday. This is 5 days later. This is how my dye is looking at the top of my head, because I need that at the top. So no, I didn't do the back. They feeling real good. Got a little shake to them. Okay, but I just wanted to come back and show y'all how my hair was looking once it dried and how the color set in.